Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your Chrome browser is not loading images properly on your browser. So how to fix this irritating problem in this video I am going to show you. So this video I am making for my subscriber. So actually one subscriber is facing same issue. So if you are also facing this problem, so you can follow this video till end very carefully. Okay, so when you are facing this kind of problem, so first you need to try the basic method. First you need to reload your web page like this. After reloading, so you can also try the next basic method. Now what you need to do, you need to close your browser and reopen it once again. Okay, so this method is also not working with you, you can try the next method. Now you need to restart your PC one time. Okay, after restarting, open the browser and go to your web page. Hopefully this method helps you to fix your issue. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, so now what you need to do, you need to check your internet connection on your PC. So if the internet connection is not good, at that time you can also face this kind of problem. So these are the basic method to fix this issue, but you try this all method, still you are facing same issue, at that time you can try the next method. Next method is this guys. First you need to update your browser. To update your browser, click on three dots, go to help, go to about Google Chrome. From here you can easily update your Google Chrome browser. If the app update is available, just simply update this. Okay, after updating, hopefully this method helps you to fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to open your browser settings and go to privacy and security option like this, and here from the right panel scroll down and open site settings. Okay, in this site settings, scroll down and find out JavaScript. Open it like this, and from here you need to select this first option, sites can use JavaScript. If the option is select to don't allow, just you need to select this first option. Scroll down, and if the website is showing here, just simply you need to select and click on a remove button from here and go back, and here once again scroll down and find out images like this, and from here you need to select sites can show images. Okay, now your issue will fix 100%. Okay, but still in case you are facing same type of problem, so now you can try the next method. If you are using any third-party extension for your image customization to edit your image, so you need to disable or uninstall that extension from your browser. So in some time guys, this extension will create this kind of problem on your browser. Okay, so just uninstall it or disable it. Okay, after doing this guys, check your issue was solved or not. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to clear your browsing data, history, cookies, site settings, everything. To do this guys, go to your settings, go to privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, select time range all time, just select these all boxes like this and click on clear data. After doing this guys, restart your browser, as well as you need to restart your PC also. After this, open the browser once again, go to your website. Now hopefully this time it will fix your issue. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, so now what you need to do, you need to try the next method. Once again open your browser settings, now go to system like this. Here you can get the option use hardware acceleration when available. So for few minutes you need to disable this option and go to your website and reload your website. Hopefully this method will help you to fix your issue. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, last and final solution is this guys. Now you need to reset your browser. To reset your browser, once again go to your browser settings. Here In the left panel at the end you can get the option reset settings. Just click on it. From here you can easily able to reset your browser settings to their original default. Okay, so this is the last and final solution to fix this irritating problem. So please comment down below which option, which method helps you to fix your issue. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.